Alright, what's up Cringe Kids? In today's video I'm going to be giving you guys an updated farm tour. So since it's winter, some things are changed around, animals are moved more into the barn, and we got some more animals. So let's just go ahead and get started. So this is my horse's pasture. As soon as you come to our house, this is what you're going to see. This is him right here, Gypsy Banner. His name is Phoenix. He's gonna be 3 this spring. He still has some issue. He's learning. You can see he still has anxiety problems. Yeah, you really do. But he's my horse. He's still being worked and trained right now. Alright, so next over here we have our stack of brown bales. We have about 14, I'd say. And hopefully this will last us to like the 1st of March, but we're gonna need way more because you have to go through at least May. But yeah, here they all are. About every 2-3 days, cows and horses need more of them, so we're really burning through them, but hopefully we can make it till the 1st of March. Alright, so over here we have our cattle trailer. As you can see, we can't use it right now. We borrowed it out to someone, and they got stuck on the way there, busted out a rim there. But this is what we use to haul up our cows. They kind of had it overloaded, and that's why that happened. On this side, alright, so here's his case. This is used for raking. Then the forks over here, this is used for cutting and baling. And then his international over here is for plowing and disking. As you can see, they're not really used much in the winter, but they're mainly used in the summer. That's why there's all the snow on there. Alright, so over here we have our corn stalk bales. These are mainly just used for bedding. And over here is my boar, Hemi Boy. He's a Mangaletsa pig. Pretty soon he'll be going in with my sow, Martha. You want to say hi? He could easily walk over this, but he's such a sweet little angel. He might actually, I don't even know. But he's going to be going in with my sow pretty soon because we want April babies. Pigs are pregnant for 3 months, 3 weeks, 3 days. So you're going to be moving in. He does have little eyes, as you can see there. But we're going to go over to Martha right now. Alright, so over here, we got some more bales right here. And this is where all of the cows and horses are, most of them. Here's Martha. She's the big old Mangaletsa mama pig. Come here, my love. So her and Hamilton are going to go in together pretty soon and hopefully make some babies. Then over here, as you can see, he always wants attention. But we got our horses and cows. So this is Dew. Hi, big baby. He's a draft horse. That's Leo. He's pretty sassy, as you can see right now. Here's our other cows over here. Not a baby, but she's my bottle baby. There's a silo. Here's Duke again. Like I said, he always wants attention. Yeah. Alright, and over here through this wall there is my new little cows that I just bought. You can see this door is supposed to be closed because of the cold air. That's why it's dark in here, but I'm not going to show you guys or go in there because it's kind of getting close to their feeding and I don't want to psych them out or anything, but they are in there. I can try and show you guys them later. Alright, and here is the front of our barn. Over here, this is where I store all of my pig feed for Martha and Hamilton. here are my two little Christmas presents, Dolly and Domingo. Alright, so the cows and horses can have access to inside the barn. As you can see, Duke literally follows us everywhere. And then as we make our way over here, okay, my love, Annie and Rachel, this is their little area for the winter. All that ice is from their water. And this is where they stay until spring and summer, until it gets nice out, and then they'll be moved back over there. And then right here, this is where I got all my adult sheep. Sophie, Evelyn, Betty, and Larry. They're all just laying down, waiting to get fed. And then through this door, they share a water with my little baby Oakley. Alright, so Oakley actually got out one day because the door busted. So that's why I have to tie it like that. But here my sweet little baby is. Hi, little mama. Oh, you're okay. You can stay laying down. Ooh, I guess not. Okay, so this is big, chunky Oakley. Last time you guys probably saw her was when she was a little baby. As you can see, she's such a little sweetheart. She's getting so chunky now. She gets feed and hay and water, obviously, too. You're okay. Alright, so this is how we heat our house. So over here, Miguel already went out in the woods and cut up some firewood, so that's over there. And then after that happens, he brings it back to the house and splits it using the splitter over here. That's done, then you bring it and you put it over here in the boiler, and that's what heats our house. As you can see, big warm fire right there. Alright, and that concludes this updated farm tour. I was able to show you guys almost everything. We have over 160 acres. Most of that is just the woods and pasture, and that hasn't changed since the last tour I gave. Just has a bunch of snow over it. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Share with your friends. Stay cringy. Comment down below any video ideas that you guys want from me, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!